Have you ever wondered if you could make money selling life insurance while you sleep? Well, guess what? You can, because we have an exclusive platform here at Gordon Marketing called Ethos. And I'm sure you've heard about it too, right, Paul?
Absolutely. And it's the hottest thing going in life insurance. It's all over television. I see it when I'm watching the news in the evening and, NFL telecasts
All over the
all over the
place.
place. Yeah. So, Troy, tell me, what kind of life insurance policies will we be talking about through Ethos?
Great question, Paul. Currently, Ethos is primarily selling term and final expense to their platform, but they are progressing and adding on permanent policies like whole life and IULs.
And these policies, you're saying that a lot of the labor pains of issuing life insurance, like underwriting and all that, it's gone by the wayside for the most part.
Gone by the wayside. The client or the agent will actually send a QR code or a link to the client, and then the client will receive that, open it up. They'll go to the agent's portal or website. They'll fill out some information, some simple health questions, some information about themselves. It'll ask them, how much mortgage balance do you have and how much debt do you have? So it'll help to kind of curtail and offer them the right insurance and the right coverage that they need. Then the client fills everything out. They'll enter their bank account information and boom, they have a policy and it's done. And when I say making money while you sleep, did you know that a client could be filling this out while you're sleeping and you could wake up the next morning and say, I just made some money? That is crazy.
Yeah, I don't know any agent, Troy, really, that doesn't want to make money seamlessly in their sleep, especially if it's an ancillary add-on to what they're already selling, or if you're a life insurance agent out there and now you have this simpler tool that adds on to what you're already doing and simplifies the process for the client and for the agent alike. That just sounds like a win-win to me.
It is a win-win. And sometimes agents will ask, well, what happens if a client starts filling out the information on the website, but they don't complete it? Well, guess what? The very next day, you're going to get a text to call this person that they started it, they were approved, but they just didn't enter their payment information. So you have that availability. And if on the rare case that a client would need to go fully underwritten, it'll also alert you via text, and you can turn around and then contact Paul or I, and we can help you find the right insurance carrier, the right avenue, the right vehicle to put the client in to make sure they're taken care of.
So, Troy, if they really want to dig in and learn a lot more, would you say that attending our Life and Annuity Expo might make a great opportunity to come and kind of deep dive this a little bit more? They could talk to the carrier rep that's going to be there, as well as you. You're going to be emphasizing this as a major attraction to Life and Annuity Expo this year.
Absolutely. Come and see what Ethos can do for you March 9th and 10th at our expo. And if you want to know more, email me, tculver@gordonmarketing.com. Give us a call. Be glad to help you out, glad to get you set up, and glad to get you start making more money.